What if I told you there's an AI so powerful it can process massive amounts of text, images, and even videos, but so efficient it can run on a single GPU, or even your phone? Sounds insane, right? Well, Google just made it real. Meet Gemma 3, Google's latest AI model that's not just powerful, but ridiculously accessible. It's fast, multilingual, and optimized for almost any device. And trust me, some of its features will blow your mind. So, tune in to know exactly why it's one of the most exciting AI releases yet. Google DeepMind has been on a mission to make AI more accessible, and the Gemma series is a testament to that vision. When Google first introduced Gemma, the goal was simple: powerful AI that doesn't need an army of GPUs to function. Over the past year, the adoption of Gemma models has skyrocketed, with over 100 million downloads. That's a staggering number, reflecting just how widely developers and AI enthusiasts have embraced this technology. But it's not just about downloads, it's about what people are building with it. Enter the Gemmaverse, a thriving ecosystem of AI models, tools, and applications, all powered by Gemma. Developers worldwide have created over 60,000 custom variants of Gemma models, fine-tuning them for everything from language processing to creative AI tools. This level of community engagement speaks volumes about the flexibility and potential of the Gemma framework. Now, with Gemma 3, Google is taking AI efficiency to the next level. This latest release isn't just an incremental update, it's engineered to deliver top-tier performance while running efficiently on a single GPU. That's a huge step forward, especially in an era where most advanced AI models demand massive hardware setups. With Gemma 3, DeepMind is proving that cutting-edge AI can be both powerful and accessible. And that's where things start to get really interesting. One of the standout aspects of Gemma 3 is its scalability. Google DeepMind has made sure there's a version for everyone, regardless of hardware limitations. The model comes in 4 different sizes: 1B, 4B, 12B, and 27B. And the B stands for billion parameters. If you need a lightweight, efficient AI that can run on almost any device, the 1B model is perfect. On the other end of the spectrum, if you want raw power for more demanding tasks, the 27B version delivers high-level performance. The 4B and 12B models strike a balance, offering strong capabilities without requiring high-end hardware. But what truly sets Gemma 3 apart is its efficiency. Unlike many large-scale AI models that rely on clusters of GPUs to function effectively, Gemma 3 is designed to run smoothly on a single accelerator, whether it's a GPU or TPU. This makes it a game-changer for developers who want to deploy AI without spending a fortune on infrastructure. Performance-wise, Gemma 3 is built for efficiency, while still matching the performance of some of the top AI models available. In human preference tests conducted on the LM Arena leaderboard, it outperformed Llama 4 O5B, DeepSeek V3, and O3 Mini. These are some of the biggest names in OpenAI models, yet Gemma 3 is showing that you don't need excessive computational power to achieve top-tier AI performance. Google DeepMind has put a lot of work into making Gemma 3 efficient and powerful in real-world applications. But there's more to it than just performance and accessibility. Gemma 3 is also breaking new ground when it comes to advanced reasoning and interaction. Google DeepMind has pushed the boundaries of AI innovation with Gemma 3, making it not just powerful, but incredibly versatile. One of its biggest strengths is its multimodal capabilities, meaning it can process more than just text. Unlike traditional AI models that focus on a single type of input, it can understand and analyze text, high-resolution images, and even short videos, which means it can deliver regardless of it being used for content analysis, generating detailed image descriptions, or even assisting in creative workflows. With this level of multimedia reasoning, AI-generated content and automation are reaching new heights. Beyond its ability to process different types of media, Gemma 3 is truly a global model. It comes with built-in support for over 140 languages, pre-trained with support for more than 35 languages, ready to use right away, making it one of the most multilingual AI models available. This means developers can create applications that reach a diverse audience, breaking language barriers without needing extensive retraining. Whatever it's powering, be it chatbots, translation tools, or content summarization, it ensures that AI interactions are accessible to users worldwide. Another major upgrade is its expanded context window. If you're unfamiliar with context windows, think of them as an AI's attention span, the amount of information it can process at once. Earlier Gemma models were limited to 8,192 tokens, which was decent but not ideal for long-form content. Now, it can handle 128,000 tokens. That's 15 times more than before. It's like reading a book chapter by chapter versus being able to process an entire novel in one go. This means Gemma can analyze massive research papers, retain long conversations, and generate coherent responses over extended interactions without losing track of context. Developers looking to automate workflows will love the function calling feature. Instead of just giving answers, this model can now execute tasks and generate structured outputs, making it a powerful tool for AI-driven applications. Think about real-time data retrieval, automated customer support, AI-powered assistants that don't just chat, but actually do things. This is where AI shifts from being just smart to being actively useful. Of course, power means nothing if the model is too heavy to run efficiently. That's where quantized models come in. Google has optimized it so that even the larger versions don't demand excessive computing power. Quantization reduces the model's size while maintaining accuracy, meaning you can run powerful AI on a smaller setup without sacrificing performance. This makes it ideal for mobile applications, lightweight devices, and resource-constrained environments. Gemma 3 is shaping up to be one of the most practical AI models out there. But while it's powerful and efficient, Google is also making sure it's safe and responsible. With great AI power comes great responsibility, and Google DeepMind isn't taking any risks. That's why they've introduced Shield Gemma 2, a built-in safety filter that prevents harmful, explicit, or violent images from being processed. AI-generated content can sometimes be unpredictable, so having a dedicated safety solution helps developers maintain control over outputs, ensuring that applications remain aligned with ethical standards. But safety goes beyond just content filtering. Data governance is a critical part of AI development, and Google has enforced strict policies to regulate how Gemma 3 is trained and deployed, with AI models now processing massive datasets. Ensuring that data integrity, privacy, and ethical considerations are met is non-negotiable. Google has taken extra measures to fine-tune this Gemma, conduct rigorous safety tests, and align it with global AI safety standards. By combining cutting-edge capabilities with built-in safety measures, Gemma 3 proves that AI can be both powerful and responsible. But there's one more key area where it stands out: how accessible it is for developers and AI enthusiasts to start using it right away. Google DeepMind has made sure Gemma 3 is easy to access, no matter your level of expertise. You can be a developer working on AI-driven applications or an enthusiast looking to experiment with the latest models. There's a way for you to start using it right away. It's a practical option for those looking to integrate AI into their applications or conduct research without dealing with setup complexities. If you prefer working on your own hardware, Hugging Face and Kaggle offer easy access to downloadable versions of Gemma 3. This gives users more flexibility, whether they want to experiment with text generation, multimodal AI, or custom fine-tuning. Having the option to run this model locally means you can adjust it to fit your specific needs, be it smaller project or testing performance on different devices. One of the key strengths of Gemma 3 is its scalability. It can run on a high-end GPU in a data center or a single accelerator setup, but it's also optimized to function efficiently on more compact hardware, like a personal workstation or even a well-equipped laptop. This flexibility makes it a viable choice for a range of users, from researchers to independent developers. To support its adoption, Google is also providing incentives. Developers can benefit from Google Cloud credits, making it easier to test and deploy Gemma in cloud environments without immediate costs. Researchers, on the other hand, can apply for a $10,000 academic grant, encouraging further AI exploration and innovation. These initiatives reflect Google's effort to make AI more accessible to institutions, startups, and individuals working on new applications. With multiple ways to access it, Gemma 3 is becoming a practical option for many. As more people start using it, we're likely to see new and interesting ways AI is applied in different fields. So that's Gemma 3, efficient, multilingual, and capable of running on everything from a smartphone to a high-end GPU. Google is making AI more practical and widely available, opening new doors for developers and researchers. What will you build with Gemma 3? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI updates. See you in the next one.